Magandang hapon po ng May 28, 2026 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 28, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, May 28, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 28, 2026, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, May 28, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 28, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.